Imagine this for a moment. You swap your face into a Hollywood movie scene. You bring an old black and white family photo to life. You create a viral video from nothing more than a sentence you typed out. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, with Remaker.ai, that future is here. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the platform's most powerful features. We'll explore its best-in-class face swap tools, how it's redefining video creation, and why it's becoming a favorite for both casual users and professionals. And once you see what's possible, you might find yourself using it every single day. Let's start with the feature that made Remaker famous. AI Face Swap. This isn't just another online gimmick. It's the platform's crown jewel, ranking #1 on Google for the term face swap. And there's a good reason why. This is the simplest way to transform a picture. Upload your image, upload the target face, hit swap, and in about 5 seconds, you've got a realistic, natural-looking result. The background stays exactly the same. The original facial expressions are preserved. It's seamless. You can use it to make custom memes, swap your face with a celebrity, or create a unique avatar for your social profiles. And the best part? It's so fast, you want to try it over and over again. Now, what if you got a group shot? Maybe a family picture, a wedding photo, or your office team. With multi-face swap, you can replace multiple faces in a single image. And here's the cool part. You decide exactly which new face goes on each person. That means you can turn a company headshot into a superhero lineup, or give your wedding guest the faces of famous actors. This one's a real time saver for bulk edits. Batch face swap can process up to 50 images in one go. Need the same face swapped across a whole set of marketing photos? Done. Want to create a consistent avatar series for branding? No problem. For influencers, brands, or e-commerce sellers, this is a game changer. And yes, Remaker isn't just about photos. With single face swap for video, you can replace the face of a single character in a clip. It works with MP4, GIF, AVI, and more. Imagine inserting yourself into a famous movie scene, or taking a commercial and adding your own twist. The results are so realistic that it feels like you were there during filming. If you've got a group video, maybe a vlog with friends, or a marketing skit, the multi-face swap for video can replace all detected faces in one pass. It's perfect for localized advertising, comedy sketches, or just having fun with your friends. For content creators producing a whole series, batch video face swap keeps your chosen face consistent across multiple videos. This means you don't have to redo each clip individually, saving you hours of work. Face swaps are impressive, but they're only half the story. Remaker is also carving out a name for itself in AI video generation, and these tools are incredibly powerful. This feature takes any still image and turns it into a moving, cinematic clip. The AI adds smooth camera movements, transitions, and even effects to bring the picture to life. Think about turning a single vacation photo into a short travel reel, or a product photo into a dynamic ad, or even animating an old event photo into a living memory. Now here's where things get really creative. With text-to-video, all you do is type a sentence or a short script. Pick your aspect ratio, whether it's 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram. And the AI builds the video for you. No camera, no expensive editing software. Just type and watch your words turn into a polished clip. If you want something quick and trendy, Remaker has a library of ready-made templates. There are fun, viral options like the AI Kiss and AI Hug, both of which have exploded in popularity online. You just drop in your content, and the system handles the rest. It's the easiest way to keep up with trends without spending hours in the editing room. One of the best surprises about Remaker? It comes with a set of free AI image tools you can use without even creating an account. There's the AI Image Upscaler, perfect for improving image resolution. The Background Remover, to give you clean, professional cutouts. And the Magic Eraser, for quickly removing unwanted objects from your pictures. They're quick, they're easy, and they're perfect for social media, marketing, or personal projects. Beyond all this, Remaker includes a full suite of creative tools, from AI art generation to advanced photo editing. Whether you're building social content, making marketing materials, or just experimenting for fun, you've got everything in one place. So let's recap. With Remaker.ai, you can swap faces in photos and videos, even in bulk. Animate still images into moving videos. Turn simple text into shareable clips. Use free AI tools for quick edits and enhancements. And explore an entire library of creative possibilities. From blockbuster-style face swaps, to breathing life into old memories, to creating videos from pure imagination. Remaker turns ideas into reality. And here's the best part. You can try most of these features right now for free. I'll put links to every tool I mentioned in the description. Click through, start experimenting, and see what you can create today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more deep dives into powerful AI tools, and let me know in the comments, which Remaker feature are you going to try first?